As you might know, we are launching our new EquaShield 2.0 on Indiegogo in just 2 months. As the ads are running, we just received a bunch of questions about the new device, so we decided to make a quick video about it. Without further ado, let's start with the first question. Expected Indiegogo launch and shipping. We plan to launch our Indiegogo campaign in March 2021 and shipping starts in June. How many relays does EquaShield has? EquaShield has 8 controllable switching relays. That means you can have some industrial relays to operate your grow lights, pumps, valves, fans, or any other active component. PWM or dimmable LEDs. EquaShield 2.0 is capable to control PWM or pulse width modulation enabled LED grow lights, dosing pumps, servos, and much more. There are almost endless possibilities to use this output. Dosing pumps for hydroponics. With our new dosing pumps, you can easily balance the pH of your system or maintain the optimal EC by adding nutrients based on the EquaShield's EC readings. You can connect a dosing pump module with a single or a dual pump setup. Can I use the EquaShield without internet? Actually, you can do that. EquaShield is connected to the internet by default and is synchronizing all collected data to the EquaShield cloud. We think this is a super feature as you can access your EquaShield from anywhere and you can back up your whole system easily. However, you don't have to do that. EquaShield can work without an internet connection as well. What about VPD monitoring? With the EquaShield 2.0, you will get a light and humidity module that also hosts a temperature probe. You can also connect 2 other temperature probes to the EquaShield. So if you place one of these temperature probes near to the plant's leaf, you can have all the necessary inputs for a VPD calculation. You only have to set in EquaShield which one of these temperature probes is placed near to the plants, and boom, EquaShield gives you VPD calculation in real time. Can I connect CO2 probes to the EquaShield? Sure thing. EquaShield can handle almost any type of analog 0 to 5 volt sensors like CO2 or soil moisture. Soil moisture monitoring. The new 0 to 5 volt analog connection could easily handle the soil moisture probe, and actually you can connect 2 of them to the EquaShield. Lux or PPFD? This is a great question. This version of the light and humidity module can monitor the light intensity via lux readings, but we are already working on a new module that will be able to read the PER or PPFD values as well. pH and EC probes, what brand do you recommend? Actually, you can use almost any high quality pH or EC probes. EquaShield has the option to calibrate your sensors, so it's not going to be a problem whatever brand you choose. You should only check one thing: we use EC probes with the range of 5 to 200,000 microsiemens per centimeter. Will it work with an Australian or American power supply? I can assure you that you will be able to use it. We already have some American and Australian customers and the system works just fine for them. How many systems can the EquaShield monitor at once? EquaShield is a modular device, so it can monitor a small home hydroponics or aquaponics system as well as a larger commercial type greenhouse. What about EquaShield 1.0 users? First and foremost, all new features will be available for all users. So you will get all the new functions no matter if your EquaShield is a 1.0 or a 2.0 version. Also, if you want to upgrade your hardware, you will have more options to choose from. The most important upgrade is going to be the control module that hosts all the relays. If you would like to use dosing pumps or dimmable LED grow lights, you should change this module. Also, you can change the sensor module number 2. It's the module with the temperature probes. By upgrading this module, you will get two 0 to 5 volt inputs for CO2, ammonia, nitrates or soil moisture. The light and humidity module has been also completely redesigned, and by switching to this new module, you will get more accurate readings as well as real-time VPD calculations. What can I say? We just love backward compatibility, and that's why we will have some special packages for AquaShield 1.0 users, so keep an eye on our campaign. That was it. If you have a question that hasn't been answered, just drop us a mail or leave a comment. Also, if you would like to get your AquaShield at the lowest price possible, check the reservation link in the description. See you soon!